simple enough. Is there an echo? That's not your current one. You didn't say hello.
This is the current one. See?
No.
No?
Now there's... Now click it. Move the other one.
What is that sound?
Stacy.
Let me do you want to start it off?
Now there's... Now click it.
What is that sound?
Stacy.
Let me do you want to start it off?
Now there's... Now click it. I don't know what that is.
What is that sound?
Yeah, let's turn that thing down a little. See what happens. Ooh. Let's stop it for a second. I don't want to do a feedback loop to where we're hearing ourselves. Go quieter, jeez. Maybe the mic just sucks. I don't want to do a feedback loop to where we're hearing ourselves.
Stop a bit.
Quieter, jeez.
What if I use the microphone, the Labrador, the cheaper?
No, I think we fixed it. If we just stop that, I think that's it. Give it a minute, and then that sound would be gone forever. In theory. If we just stop that, I think that's it.
Oh, yeah, it's gone. Is it?
Give it a minute, and then that sound will be gone forever. In theory. We just stop that. I think that's it.
Oh, yeah, it's gone. Is it?
Give it a minute, and then that sound will be gone forever. In theory. We're just gonna hear that echo forever. Okay, that's good. So it probably sounds okay.
Yeah. Yay! All I need is like just connect my camera to that wire.
Yeah, and like right now you're streaming. This is software you get a look at.
Okay.
If you're gonna go to the bathroom, be right back.
Oh, that's cute.
Intermission.
That's cute.
You'll never need to do ending soon. You just say, bye, and then you leave. Starting soon is silly. And you're live.
Oh, just click those little...
Yep, and then you can set these up with all this other stuff. But it's best if you don't mess with that until you know how.
Yeah.
So yeah, streaming, this battery's not going to last forever, which is a bit of a problem.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to need a dummy battery, or you're limited to probably about 30 minutes, and then your stream is going to die.
Yeah. That sucks if like...
Because there's no plugging USB into this one, but you can into this one, which would make this one better. But it doesn't want to work. But you can do the little wall battery thing. They exist. They're not too expensive or nothing. But this is basically what Paul does. He does live streams. Yeah, but he's got the GH5s.
Mm. Let's see what's gonna happen in my live stream.
Stuff and things.
He
does live streams. Yeah, but he's got the GH5s.
Mm.
Yeah. So sounds fine.
So my microphone is work.
Yep.
So what did you do about the echo though, honey? I did not pay attention.
I turned this down.
Oh.
Because it was way up over here.
Okay. How about, what if you turn it all the way down?
Then you won't be able to hear you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's your microphone volume.
Mm. Oh, okay.
Blah. Yeah, your goal is to not peak. Whenever it gets into the yellow, you might start getting distortions.
Mm-hmm.
If it gets into the red, you're probably going to get some distortions. Oh no.
You drop it.
Yeah, that might be a little noisy. Enjoy the stream, guys. Enjoy the stream. Let me tighten it.
We're learning over here. It's taking forever to set up. We've been setting it up since we get up, like around 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
No. Package didn't even arrive till like 11.
And now it is 3 in the afternoon. We're still like playing with this. It's with, what do you call that? Elgato Cam link. But I like it. It's a little, I can like, I can like get ready doing my makeup because it's like, the quality is actually like I'm filming like a sit down video. Huh? Yay!
Okay.
Yeah. Just need a little, I want a little ring light, honey, on my desk.
I can't tell I'm fucking with you. No.
I need a little ring light, just like the small one that I can set up on my desk. Not like the ring light. How did you zoom it in, honey? I want that. Oh, you can see that like the exactly same like
Yep.
that
Watch.
when you zoom in.
Turn the volume down though. Oh, you gotta fast forward a bunch.
How did you zoom it in, honey? I want that. Oh, you can see that like the exactly the same like that.
See. Whatever you see in this window is what they see.
Okay.
You can add new stuff and do effects and things, but I don't have the knowledge.
Me either. I'm worst. Probably gonna be worse. Laying things and stuff, something like that. Ooh.
So you can add a thing. Say you want to add. An open VR capture. That could be nice.
Like the VR games?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, you can also do a window.
What is window? Oh, the things that I want to show up? Like link?
Yeah. So right now it's doing this window, but if you open another one, tell it to do some other, oh wait. It needs to exist before you do that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nope, now it's picking this one. I could pick this one. here's how you do it. You do this. You call your scene window capture. And then you say done. Go back to your live scene so people have something to see. This you need to remove because it's not going to be there. Inside a window capture, we'll add a window capture. Add source. Call it that. Do Chrome. Done. There. Go back to live scene. They see you. You can play with your window all you want. It's fine. They can't see it.
Oh, really?
Because you have live selected. See, you're on live scene, which is your camera. Mm-hmm. As soon as you go to window capture, now it shows Chrome. And that's what they see. If you make it a whole lot bigger, well, it becomes too big and it actually kind of zooms in weird on it. It's hard to see because this is out of the way. Here. Okay, let's get bigger until it fits. You don't need to see it there. You can tell everything from here. You don't need to watch that. Just kill it. We don't need that. And then from here you need to be careful because like if you click on your channel dashboard, then everyone gets to see all your stuff. So you gotta go back to here. Then you do the dashboard. And then you can be like analytics.
I want to get a chair.
Yeah, totally.
I forgot how to open.
There. From there, you go into like window capture and it shows them some fun little statistics.
Yeah. Can see.
But no passwords or nothing weird. And then you can be like, oh yeah, you got some watch hours and stuff. And mobobbers. There you go.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Not much else to do. You can play games and stuff, but you show them how bad you are at typing. So you go on here, then you go into capture and be like, okay, I'm going to try to type. Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't do that. Whatever you type wrong, it's crossed.
I don't know. I haven't done it.
Good job.
Yeah. That's what happened.
That's what happened. Red bunk.
Oh man.
I remember that video that when we were like one subject, like computer subject in college though. Long time
This
ago.
is annoying. I'll rather type with full words, but I mean, you gotta start somewhere, I guess.
Or you have to be at 100% accuracy.
You don't have to.
There you go. You're getting wrong.
Oh no.
Restart the lesson.
Oh, I gotta click it?
Yeah.
Come on, enter should work.
What if I'm gonna do it? I'm gonna be the worst typing keyboard.
It's only 2 fingers. Well, 3, spacebar.
No, I can't. It's not using the keyboard.
Yes, you can. It's 2 fingers. Oh, messed up. Can I backspace? They give me a yellow.
What is yellow?
I don't know yet. Yeah. Cool. Oh my god. It gets so annoying typing like that. It's just...
Another yellow. Just go, if I want to do something like that, I'm just gonna go to Chrome and type whatever.
This is the Learn Touch Typing thing. From typingclub.com. Does it show that at the top? Oh, it does. So that's how that works. Then you go a live scene again and be like, I suck at typing.
I am. I cannot not looking on my keyboard. I have to look on my keyboard. Otherwise, I'm gonna miss what I'm typing.
Yeah, but you can also use this for playing like full games and stuff.
I want to like that would fun to play games or something.
Yeah, you don't play games ever.
Like this, the easy one, not the hardest one, because I'm not. I haven't played games for my entire life. Should be started with a place. How about Minecraft? Just digging.
Okay, let's change the name of this.
Is that my title? My life?
Done. Let's add a new one. Let's call this new scene.
I wanna use a small ring light for my desk.
Sure you do.
I think they're cheap, like $10, $20.
Okay, let's add a source. Let's do window capture. Oh, geez, I need to open it first.
Is that what they're saying, honey, in my live stream?
That'll show up somewhere over there. Oh no!
Oh no, you lost it.
That's okay. I've lost a lot of things in my life.
Oh, you can do that Google Earth too? Oh, that's cool. I wanna do that.
Yeah, totally. Okay, so back to this. I'm adding a window capture. Add source. What? Did I click the wrong thing? Yeah, window capture. There we go. Done.
It's a Google Earth.
Okay, so how am I going to do this? I'm probably going to do it like this. This is all that matters. Oh, I can't make it fit quite how I want it to. Make this bigger so I can make it fit. I can. Well, I can attempt. It's not quite working. Can I like stretch and skew it? No, it's staying consistent with proportions. And there's no changing that. So we're going to have a few things in here that no one cares about. As long as it's centered, right? Okay. So, from inside Google Earth, where do you live?
Philippines?
Really? You're in the Philippines right now?
No. United States.
Okay, let's delete this one entirely. We just don't need it.
Oh, yay. Streaming soon.
No. Let's remove that one too. Sorry, you don't need it. Be right back. Okay, that one you might need. Intermission. Sure. Did it fucking get rid of the one I... What? It got rid of the normal watching one.
How did that happen?
I don't know. I didn't click on it. Yeah, live scene. Be right back. Remove. Okay. Well, Control Z undoes whatever you do, so that's good. Okay. Starting soon. Don't need. Remove. Okay, so now they all fit. And that was the goal here. See, regular, intermission, ending soon, which you just do not need. Remove. Then your Chrome capture, your Google Earth capture, which, yeah, just gonna have to go with that. Okay, so Google Earth. That was unfortunate. Man, I still need to make it smaller. Whatever, I think I'll just shrink it down to fit perfect and deal with it. I'm getting there. So, we have this thing called Earth. There we go. So, inside El Eartho, we have the United States. Inside the United States, Colorado. Then you got Denver. Oh, and then we got loading. We have amazing internet, but it's not perfect. Especially with the data caps. Stupid data caps. So, we live roughly here. It's not the biggest city in the world. Just a lot of suburbs. A little bit of downtownness, which we never go to.
Oh yeah, I can show that things.
Yeah, we live over here. So we got Berkeley Lake, Lake Rhoda.
What is rude?
It's the lakeside lake.
Oh.
Everyone calls it Lakeside Lake, but it's not. See, Lakeside is this tiny little town, which, like, this is Lakeside, and this is Old Mountain. Maybe this is Lakeside. I don't know. This counts as Denver. We just call it Lakeside. Anyways, we want a house over here. That's where to live. And we do live over here, but where? Yeah, doesn't matter. And yeah, got my work over here. Now let's find some more interesting things where people don't track us down and kill us. I mean, say hi to us. Way over here, the other side of the ocean. Is that Hawaii? Oh no, Marshall Islands. Papua New Guinea. Yeah, Philippines.
Yay.
Yeah, let's go back to north. There we go. So you got the main island of Luzon.
Where is my home?
It's over here. Got Legazpi City. The volcano just north of that is Mount Mayon. Very popular. And then this tiny little one, a little off of it. You know, it's noticeably smaller. Top blue off.
Oh, yeah.
That's Mount Malinao. And then we got Tiwi in the city of Malinao. And Tabaco. And you if you go from Tobacco towards Malinao and get close to this river, cut across.
What is that river called?
El Rivero? I don't know. You should know.
I forgot. Malinao. Maybe? That's like...
Doesn't want to tell me.
It doesn't tell.
Where's the layers? Are they hiding them?
I think this would be...
Oh, they're up here on this. Maybe they're not. I don't know. They're somewhere. But anyways, you take this little road down here, around here. Totally lost where I'm at. Oh my god, go north. Why won't you? Fine, I'll do it manually. But yeah, we cross this river, and then it's here. Nah, there we are. Hard to see, hard to see, hard to see, hard to see.
Oh no, it's like super blurry.
I know. Terrible quality. But that's your house.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And this is a little bus stop, and then you cross this crappy little river. You can go north towards whatever resort.
Aqua.
Yeah, okay. So Aqua Spring Resort.
Can I go a little bit further? There's another resort over there, Amateur Spring Resort.
Yeah, it's that right there.
Yeah.
They're like right next door to each
Yeah,
other.
they're smaller though. See, I think the water goes here to the river directly. Did you see that? That's the small lake or whatever you call that. That's how I learned my swimming before when I was like 5 years old. My mama get yelled at me because those water is like very strong. You know, actually like.
Yeah, okay.
That's dead already, that river.
Rivers don't die.
Before there's a lot of water, now it's all rocks already.
But anyways,
Oh,
it's high enough up the mountain to have a view.
yeah, look at the sea.
What do we got for photos? Yeah. It's hard to maneuver. Yeah, there's a few photos in here. What's this one? Oh, look like that. That's right next to your home. Oh, there's photos of that resort.
Oh yeah, that's Amateur Spring Resort. Oh, it changed? Not really changed a lot. It is. Not like before. Yeah, they renovated a little bit. But the water goes inside like natural water inside the land.
How do I minimize this? Go back. There we go. Not many pictures in this area. That one farm field and that. I don't think people are too interested in uploading to Google.
When I go back, I'm gonna upload, take a nice videos and upload it on YouTube. If you're like somewhere around in Tobacco.
Yeah, it's a basic house.
Or Legazpi. It's an old house, is it? Like abandoned house?
There we go.
Oh, that's Malinao National High School.
Yeah. One of the many cemeteries we've passed.
That's really old.
Yeah, I've seen that before. Yeah, I've seen that.
Oh, it's stuck on my dentures though.
Yeah? You gonna tell them more? You're gonna tell them more?
It's stuck on my dentures.
So you don't even watch
You know, guys, but that's happened if you don't take care of your teeth. It sucks.
it? 0 viewers?
Someone probably still sleeping.
5 a.m. in the Philippines.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. But, see, stuff like that. And I think it'd be cool to live closer to Manila. But there's a problem. Like, every hurricane that comes through here comes just like this.
Can we check the Imus Cavite? They have so many lands over there that sail or it's already built in.
No, there's no easy way to check that.
Maybe they have pictures or something.
There's no easy way to check that. I've checked. If you want to look that up, you go to the Philippines and you get yourself a realtor.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's go to Laurel. That way I can rest in Laurel. Rest on my laurel. Lipa.
Lipa, Batangas.
So that old man is retired.
Oh, yeah.
He's just outside of Lipa. It's probably like up here or something. Okay, he's not there. That's definitely Filipinos. I don't know. A bunch of these look like they could be retirement places. Oh, it's probably like, no, those are way too close together. Because they were spread out. Probably more like this. Yeah.
Oh.
Looks just like one of these, doesn't it?
Yeah. Where are those buildings though?
This is probably like Sally Bick's house.
Oh really?
Yeah, crappy
That's
little
too
apartment.
close.
Yeah, they're really small apartments. Those are like 300 square foot apartments. Like 1 bedroom.
I can afford that and just not live here and like rent it for people like they wanna live over there.
Yeah, you just want to buy
What's
them.
that? Dropped frame defected 10% over last 2 minutes, a few seconds ago.
When it drops frames, the video kind of looks all skippy.
Oh, okay.
You have a really nice processor, but it's not perfect, and I don't think we're using hardware acceleration because I didn't play with any settings. So let's go to settings, output,